Homestead Homies? It's Off Grid with Doug and Stacy, and welcome to the outside kitchen today. And today we're going to do something with peaches. We're in peaches season, and our neighbor had a tree, and we've had a bunch of like a band of storms come through, and one of his peach trees just totally had cracked in half. And some of the peaches, they weren't very big. So you can see I have a lot of peaches that we were taking off the tree, and peaches ripen so quickly. So I'm thinking, what am I going to do with all these peaches? What am I going to do with these peaches? And we live off grid, and so I like to find ways that I can store things because we really don't have access to great refrigeration. So what we're going to do is I'm going to make a shrub. And quite a few months ago I did a video on a drink from the 1700s, which was a shrub that you can use with a lot of your excess fruits and things that you have. I'll link that above. Everyone watch that video because it is amazing. It's a great drink. I mean, it tastes great. And you want to get off drinking soda, this might be something that you can do. It's much more healthy for you. And it's loaded and power packed with so many different things. You can use herbs, you can use your fruits. So I'm going to use a combination which is amazing together, which is fresh basil and also my peaches. And all I did was got a bunch of my peaches, I took the pits out of them, and I mashed them up a little bit to get some of the juice. And making a shrub is so very simple. I'm going to use a half-gallon jar here, and you can do any size you want. If you want to just do a little bit and do a pint, you can do a pint, you can do a quart, you can do a gallon, whatever you want to do. And all you're going to do is you do equal parts. And you need three things, only three things. You're going to need raw apple cider vinegar, you're going to need some raw honey, and you're going to need your fruit or your herb or whatever you want to use. And today we're doing peaches because they taste amazing. So the ratios go 1, 1, and 1. So I'm going to get my mushed peaches, and that's going to go first. Get the juice and the peaches. Next, I'm going to do 1 part of the raw apple cider vinegar. And the last thing is the raw honey. Put my lid on, and I'm going to shake it up really good. Shake, 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 shake. And then put it in your refrigerator, let it set for a couple days, 2 days, 3 days. Then you're going to strain it, and then you'll have this wonderful liquid. And then all you're going to do is when you're making your drinks, you'll put it in a drink, and you'll do 1 part of your shrub that you made to 2 or 3 parts of a liquid. So it could be water, or you could do like fizzy sparkling water, anything like that. Put some ice in it. Put some herbs in it, whatever you want to do, and it tastes amazing. So this is the first one I'm going to make. This is just a regular peach one. Now my second one I'm going to do is going to be the peaches, but I'm going to add the basil to it. So on this last one, I just went ahead and got a nice bunch of basil, and I'm going to put it in there with it. I did it the same way as I did before, 1 part apple cider vinegar, 1 part of the peaches, and 1 part of the raw honey. Then I put a nice handful of some basil in there. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to shake this guy up the same way. Put it in the refrigerator 2 days, 3 days or so. Strain it through. Then you're going to have your liquid that you're going to use as your base. So you can do like 1 part of this to 2 or 3 parts of your water or sparkling mineral water. The amazing things about making shrubs is you guys can do whatever you want. Herbs are just wonderful this time of year. So you can mix and match. If you want to do it with watermelon and mint, you could do lemon balm. You could do so many wonderful different types of herbs mixed in there, or just do, the plain fruit by itself. I just got down a little while ago, we had blackberry season, and I did blackberry shrubs, and that's like one of my favorites, and they turned out really good too. So you could get really creative. You can mix and match. If you have some berries and some peaches, you can do that too. It tastes phenomenal. It's so easy. It's a great way. It will last many, 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 many months in the refrigerator. And no joke, but you'll definitely drink it before it's time. So if you guys have any questions, please leave your comments below. And just a little note too, you guys can use frozen fruit. So if you don't have access to getting a lot of, fruits, then go ahead and use frozen fruits. It's just as good. It works just as good. We hope to see you guys at the Homesteading Life Conference on August 12th and 13th. And if you don't know what we're talking about, the links will be below. It is going to be a lot of fun. And leave another comment below and say that you're shrubbing it. I want you guys to try this because it's so wonderful. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And I will look forward to seeing you guys later. See you later. Bye. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. You might want to check out these videos.
And if you want to become a homestead homie, click the picture of us below.
We will see you tomorrow.